Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we are back with another video. In today's video, we are doing a full frontal wig install sponsored by Musecrown. If you'd like the details to this super cute chocolate brown highlight unit, stick around. But before you go, as always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on a few.
That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.
Okay y'all, so like I said earlier, today we're working with Musecrown. So it's my first time working with them. Already I can say I love the packaging, love the name, all that. Let's go ahead and unbox her and see what we're working with. Okay, so already I can see the highlights, definitely excited. They sent me some scrunchies and some clips. Okay, let's open up the wig. Ooh, already she's gorgeous. Like, this is so pretty. This is exactly what I was hoping it would look like too. Just test quality of the hair. Yeah, this is like butter. And then no shedding. I'm just gonna run it through again so y'all can see. Deep through, honey, okay? Fine tooth comb. This is the best way to test. No shedding. Okay. Yeah, y'all, this hair is super soft. I will put all the details about the wig down below in the bio for you, but so far, so good. I love that it came pre-plucked and pre-customized. The lace is clearly pre-cut, so we're gonna see, you know, what's to that. They have lace back here. That way you can, you know, put it up in a ponytail and all that. I don't really do that with my wigs. One day maybe I will, but today's not that day. So I'm just gonna cut that off real quick. I really want to show y'all the quality of the plucking that the wig comes with, so I'm gonna put it on my little mannequin head right here so y'all can see. Damn girl, your head big as hell. Just so y'all can see the quality of the plucking and the bleached knots. I didn't mention this, but I literally have to go to work after this install, so I don't really have too much time, so I'm hoping it'll be nice and quick. Let's get straight into it. First thing I'm gonna do is I am going to tint my lace, if I can find my lace tint. Like, I be moving my stuff because I be like traveling and stuff, and so I don't really know where everything is sometimes. Or I could do a little, maybe I should just do a spray because I don't see my stuff and I don't have time to be running around looking for nothing. What is this? I have mousse and I have spray. I guess we can try this tinted lace mousse and see what's to that. Ooh. I hope that wasn't too much. Oh, this is fun. I feel like I've literally never used this before. I have shade medium brown. I don't even know if y'all can see that, but that's the shade that I'm using. And basically I am just patting it into the lace. Put some more on there and I'm just like spreading it. I think this is like also a good way to not like get makeup on the actual hair because this is just mousse, so that's cool. So now that my lace is fully tinted, we can get started. Just to show you the inside structure of the cap, we have some combs here. We have an adjustable wig band with silicone grippies, and we also still do have those like stretchy bands that attach to like the little loops. I don't really use those as much. I use more so the silicone band, but I'm still gonna attach those real quick to the loops. That way they're just not, you know, hanging out. Okay, already got my dig on. Just real quick, I'm gonna use this to tint my lace. Usually I don't use this because I don't want to get on my hair, but I have to wash my hair anyway, so. Okay, so I can already feel that it's a little bit loose, so I'm going to tighten it. That's as much as I can go, which is interesting. I feel like this wig is gonna be a little big. Like, I just, you know, I can always tell. But, you know, I don't mind being wrong. I really would love to be wrong. No, it's a little big. All right. I don't know if this is extra fabric or wefting or something, but like that, I'm not the biggest fan of. I don't like when I feel like I'm going to have to do a lot of work to get a wig flat, because I don't like a lot of work. Before we even install the wig, I want to work on getting it flat, because like, yeah, I'm impatient. So I can see that it might just be the density of the hair, which is great, you know. It's good to have density. You don't want a thin wig. So I'm just gonna take some wax and run that down the sides of the hair, back, and then hot comb on. Side note, love this color, really pretty. Why is my nose running though? You know, like why is my nose running? I'm trying to get this as flat as possible. I'm gonna go up to 400 degrees because this hair is pretty thick and it's human, so it should be fine. And it's also not mine, and I want results. Like, see, this side is already flatter than this side. Hopefully we can get this side just as flat. Oh yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, that extra heat on the hot comb, honey, I be doing a thing. The back. Now, I feel like this wig would fit most people's heads, so most people should be fine, but yeah, this is just like a me thing. Having a small head is all fun and games until you want some to fit right. So we could wear this wig glueless just because it's, you know, it's already pre-cut for us and all. I'm going to glue it. Take one of those scrunchies that they so kindly gave me. This hair is thick, honey. Good God. I'm just gonna roll this back, and then I'm gonna take some spray, extra firm hold. Spray this right along the hairline. Right along the hairline. And I like to just like pat it in place, that way it doesn't roll down my face. I want this to be as flat as possible, so I'm going to try to make sure a good portion of the hairline is secured down. I'm going to just fan this. Comb some of this hair away. And we're just going to press the lace into the glue, like so. Okay. Pull the hair back and put this wig band on. Make sure not too much of the hair is caught under that wig band. Hot comb is still on, which is great. Why are we turned over there? Okay, so what I want to do right now is make this part a little bit straighter. Just a little bit, and I might just take that hair out. Make sure the hair stays where it's supposed to by giving it a good pass with the hot comb. Same thing on the other side. Okay, I'm impatient. I'm gonna take my wig band off. We're gonna see what we're working with. Oh, it's stuck to my shirt. Okay. Alrighty. Just loosen the hair up from the lace a little bit. Alright, and we are done. I love the color, love the highlights. I love the quality of the hair. Like, it's truly buttery. Love that. My only notes, the wig cap is a little big for my head. So for my head size, it's just a little bit too much hair, a little bit too much cap, but I was able to freak it. We were able to make it look really cute. So yes, those are my final notes. I do like the hair. I do think if I were to order from Musecrown Hair, I would look into like ordering a slightly smaller cap size just for a better wig install experience. Other than that, she's cute. Huge shout out to Musecrown for sending me this unit. Huge shout out to y'all for watching this install. Let me know your thoughts down below. Interested to hear. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, make sure you go and subscribe to my channel. Y'all already know it's your girl Mina. Have a good day.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself. I know that I will never